Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
A heartiest namaste to everyone and welcome to the Terra Talks. Today, we, the Gupshup girls from the Amber International School, are going to chat about the soulful cities of Gujarat, namely Vadodara and Ahmedabad. I, the host, Dhruti Thorvi, and the other girls,
Harvi Chanchad,
Tirtha Nair,
Twarali Bhadvankar,
Tanvi Maekar,
will be your entertainers today.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
So, Tirtha, starting off with, how was your journey?
My whole body aches. Boarding the Shatabdi Express feels like a week ago, and my feet are done after exploring Lakshmi Vilas Palace and the Vadodara Museum. Seriously, yesterday's climb at the Statue of Unity and the long walk through the jungle safari should count as a marathon. But the sheer scale of the statue, incredible. And seeing all those animals, pure joy. Now, Ahmedabad, after the drive and the interesting but frankly tiring Amul factory tour, I thought I'd crash. But then I saw Akshardham. How can something so beautiful give you a second wind? I'm exhausted, yet buzzing. What a trip.
So, Harvi, we reached Vadodara.
Vadodara was honestly such a surprise. We started with the Baroda Museum and Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Both were way more interesting than I expected. The museum had the old world vibe, and the palace, it's massive, it's detailed, it's the kind of place that makes you stop and actually look. And then we went to the Statue of Unity, which was the real highlight. It was super fun and there's so much to see around it. Not just the statue itself, the whole experience felt bigger than I imagined. Overall, Vadodara was one of the trips where you learn things without even trying.
After the wonderful days in Vadodara, we went to a beautiful mandir, Akshardham.
My visit to Akshardham Mandir in Gandhinagar was honestly so beautiful. The temple's carvings, colors, and peaceful atmosphere made the whole place feel special. The exhibitions about Bhagwan Swaminarayan were my favorite. They showed his life in such a realistic and human way that the history felt alive and easy to understand. It really helped me learn about his teachings in a simple, meaningful way. And before leaving, I went to the gift shop and got a small souvenir box that opens up to show the mandir and the murti. It's such a sweet reminder of the whole experience.
So, Tanvi, what would your favorite spots be?
Vadodara, and honestly, the highlight was the Lakshmi Vilas Palace. The architecture, the history, the whole vibe, it was insane. We went to the Statue of Unity. Seeing it in real life hits different. It is massive and the view from around, it is beautiful. Visited the Akshardham temple. The place is so peaceful and the carving are stunning. Honestly, I love every part of the trip.
A wrap-up would be that Gujarat is a very divine, serene and beautiful place, and thank you to everyone who made this fun trip possible. Expressing our gratitude to the listeners. We love y'all!
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.